Hello guys, today we are going to create a business Facebook page. So let's start how to create Facebook page. First of all, we have to go our business account, like our Facebook account. Then after, we have to go this menu. After that, here are some menu like events, friends, groups, feeds and pages. We have to go Facebook, like that is pages. After that, we'll go this here. Then here is a options, create new pages. So we'll go here, create a new pages. That time we are seeing that page name, so we'll write down one name, any name, the dynamic duo. So guys, I wrote this name. Then category is related to any kind of category. For example, it's a beauty category. Here beauty and beauty store. So after that, we'll create this page. So this page has created. Now we'll go some setup. So here are contact, website. Then we'll create email. Then we'll write down contact, phone number, email. Next we'll go next, then add profile picture or add cover picture, you can give here. So it's depend on you. You can then we'll go to next page. After that, here we can skip guide, build your page audience, so you can invite your friends here. So I don't need, so I will go my next pages. After that, we stay informed about your page, and page notification you can alert on. Marketing promotion you can sign on, then it's done. So here we can wait a few seconds. That time we are watching that there is a new page. You can go you can change your profile here. So you can go professional dashboard. Right here we can see the dynamic web page has created, and it's very easy. You can open these pages, business page, in your business purposes to grow your business. So guys, this is the process. We can create our Facebook business page. So that's all.